Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? Hope all the lovely and nice students of class 3 they are very fit, fine and preparing the next test. Right, so dear students, I want to share the syllabus of PT3. Share the syllabus of PT3. So Chapter number 10 Weather and Season. Chapter number 10 Weather and Season. Chapter number 11 Water and chapter number 12 Means of Transports. These three chapters will come in your next test. Chapter number 10 Weather and Season. Chapter number 11 Water and chapter number 12 Means of Transports. These three chapters will come in your exam, in your next test. So this is my request or suggestion to you that please read the entire chapter very carefully, and I want to appreciate you also because you have done a good job, a great job on half yearly exam as well as your last PT exam. So I hope you understand your syllabus. Chapter number 10, 11 and 12, these three chapters will come in your next test. Right? So, dear students, you already have seen the four part of the chapter. Chapter number 12, Means of Transport. Chapter number 12, Means of Transports, and we have done new words also. We have done new words also. Right? So today we are going to start the exercise. Exercise number B, circle the correct word, because exercise number A, tick the correct option, we have done in the previous lecture. So today we will do exercise number B, circle the correct word. Exercise number B, circle the correct word. Okay, so everybody get ready with your book, your pencil, and write along with me, so you can complete your notebook there and there only. Okay, so let's start. Take out page number 8080. Page number 8080. This exercise is given on page number 8080. So take out the page and let's write. Number 1. Bullock. Horses and camels are used in number A. Villages. Oblique will not come in the line. So the villages word will come. Villages word, you will put the circle on that word, villages. Bullock, horse and camels are used in villages area or remote areas. Number 2, train are used to travel long, oblique, short distance. So, what is the right option? What is the right option? मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ, बात करती हूँ। आज मैं सुननी पाऊंगी वीडियो से। this word. Long is the right answer. So make the circle on that word. Number 3. Boats and steamers are used in boats and steamers are used in rivers or seas. So boat and steamers are used in rivers. Steamers we can use and boats we can use on rivers. But when we will talk about sea, samudra, है ना? When we will talk about sea, so sea में we cannot use boats. We can use boats in rivers, but we cannot use boats on seas. समुद्र में नाव बहुत लंबा survive नहीं कर सकती. Let's see number 4. Aeroplanes are the fastest or oblique slowest means of transport. Means of transport. Question, if is not proper, you can note down from the book also. So, aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Put the circle on the word fastest, F-A-S-T-E-S-T, fastest. Last but not least, number 5. Once again about the aeroplane. Aeroplanes take long, oblique, short time to travel from one place to another. From one place to another. Yes. So aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. So it will take short time of period. It will take short time of period. So the word short is the correct word. So put the circle in that correct word. Right? So I am not in front of the board. You can note down. Nothing you have to do. You have to put only the circle on the right word. There are 2 words. One is right, one is wrong. You have to choose the correct one. Okay? Number 1, villages. In villages area, people are using bullock, horses and camels. Train are used to travel long distance. Boat and steamers are used in river. Aeroplane are the fastest means of transport. Aeroplane can take short time to travel from one place to another place. So I am rubbing the board. I hope you all are smart students. Note it down first. Okay. Now the exercise number C. Arrange the following means of transports according to their increasing speed. Once again I will read the question. Arrange the following means of transport according to their increasing its speed. What is asked in the question? It is asked in the question. You have to there are some names of means of transports are given in the book. You have to arrange them in the increasing order. Increasing order means we have to go from slow to fast. We have to go from slow to fast. Okay. So let's write with me. This you have to note down in your notebook. आपको इसको कॉपी में करना है. एक्सरसाइज नंबर सी. एक्सरसाइज नंबर सी. नंबर 1 शिप. नंबर 2 ट्रेन. स्टीमर. बोट. Scooter. Okay, and then down that car, bicycle, tonga, helicopter, aeroplane. Okay, so this much names are given. This much names are given. So what we will do? We will arrange these names according to increasing order. So let's write with me. Slowest. So you will make the arrow and first name boat. After boat, bicycle. After bicycle, tonga. After tonga, ship. After ship, I will write over here steamer. Scooter. Car. Train. Helicopter. Then aeroplane. These are the names. Boat, bicycle, tonga, ship, steamer, scooter, car, train, helicopter and aeroplane. This is the right order of this question. Note it down fast. I am waiting. You can pause the screen, otherwise you can take a screenshot. Okay, I am going to rub this. We will do the next one. Okay, the next exercise, give two examples of each of the following. Exercise number D. Exercise number D. Means of land transport. Means of land transport. Here we have to give two examples of land transports. So, car and bus. BUS bus, CAR car. Number 2. This is number 1. Number 2. Means of water transport. Means of water transport. Ship, boat. Ship, boat. Number 3, means of air transport. Means of air transport. The examples are aeroplane and helicopter. Aeroplane. The word helicopter will not fit over here, so helicopter I am writing downside. Helicopter, Helicopter. Helicopter. Note down fast. Last. Answer the following question. Last exercises remain. I hope you note it down. I am going to rub it. And we will write the question and the answer. Question number 1. What do you understand by means of transport? What do you understand? What do you understand by means of transport? What do you understand by means of transport? means of transport is a term used to distinguish between different ways of transportation or transporting people or goods. Transporting people or goods. People or goods. Goods means the things, saman. Note down question number 1. So I can write question number 2, 3 and 4. Hope you noted down the question. I am rubbing. I will write question number 2. Name the means of transport that can use. Question number 2. Name the means of transport that are commonly used in village. Answer number 2. In villages, people use bullocks, horse, camel, elephant as an full stop. Question number 3. What are the main means of air transport? What are the main means of transport? What are the main air means of transport? Air word will come. So there are 3 main. Let me see the question in the book. What are the main means of air transports? So the main means of air transports are aeroplane and helicopter. Aeroplane and helicopter. Note down fast. Last question is remain. How are helicopter useful to us? Okay. Question number this is very useful to answer. Helicopter is very useful to reach the place where other means of transport cannot reach. They are used to dropping dropping food, clothes and medicine. During flood and earthquake. Floods and earthquake means bhukamp. Flooding means bars. This answer little bit quite big. How are helicopter useful to us? Helicopter हमारे लिए कैसे useful है? So helicopter is very useful to reach the place where other means of transports cannot reach. हेलीकॉप्टर वहाँ भी पहुँच सकता है जहाँ दूसरे means of transports नहीं पहुँच सकते. They are used for dropping foods, clothes and medicine for people during flood and earthquakes. So हेलीकॉप्टर का जो यूज है ना बेटा वो अधिकतर खाना ड्रॉप करने के लिए, कपड़े और मेडिसिन ड्रॉप करने के लिए होता है जहाँ पर फ्लड यानी बाढ़ और अर्थक्वेक यानी भूकंप आ जाते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज योर एंटायर एक्सरसाइज ऑफ chapter number 12 means of transports, right? And once again I want to give a small reminder that chapter number 10, 11 and 12, these three chapters will come in the exam. So hope you all will prepare best for your exam. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you, bye.